Hello, QDatacube. If you start by imagining a large table or list-based model like 1,000 rows, 20,000 rows, something like that, it could be a bulk database, it could be the containers for containership, your large customer database, or whatever large thing you have. And in this, you need to somehow select some specific items based on various criteria, and your users need to do it interactively. And for that, we have QDatacube. It lets the user categorize and filter and select. Very easy. Of course, selection is synced with the QItem selection model, and QDatacube works on top of a QAbstract item model, so everything just fits nicely together. QDatacube comes with a set of standard categorizers and filters, and it is easy to extend. So this is two different QDatacubes of container ships. It basically says that we have in the top left, we have some containers based on their length and height, and downwards we have their destination. And some of them are selected, that is all the 20-foot long normal height containers to Shanghai or Ningbo. Those are with blue. And if we look in the lower left corner, we have the exact same set of containers, but these are measured or organized differently. We have only one thing on top that shows where the containers are coming from, and we have a second item to split it on the vertical side. And it is the same 7 containers that is selected in both of the layouts. Those of you who are sitting closest can see that it is actually a different shade of blue for both of them. This is the small demo application that comes with QDatacube. It shows 100 randomly generated Danish names and genders and age and some other things, and it is aggregated in 2 different data cubes. It is the exact same data, which is in a table view, and in 2 different data cubes with one person selected, and all of it is synchronized. With a couple of clicks, we have the same person selected and some filtering added, and it is still just the exact same data, exact same selection, and this time it is also presenting a summary over rounded weights of persons. QDatacube is easy extendable. You create an aggregator that tells which bucket to put each row in the underlying model in. You create a title for the category. Then you create a filter to decide if a given row is relevant for this data cube or not. And you format the rows in some way you want. The aggregators that put things in categories is basically 3 different pure virtual functions. One is putting things in buckets or in categories. The other one is reporting how many categories does this aggregator handle. And finally, some header data for each category, as seen colors and tooltips and whatever is needed. And then there is the filters, which is just a simple one. Does this row belong in the Datacube or not. And there is a simple standard filter that is filtering by an aggregator category. And lastly, there is the formatters that basically receives a list of rows and is asked to somehow format this. It can go through and ask the underlying model, what data do you have here, and do something with it. Or the most used of the standard formatters that comes with QDatacube is basically just returning rows.size, as in how many are there here. QDatacube is made by my current employer, Angel Optimization, for an application called Angel's Go that is an application for container ship planning. QDatacube is LGPL licensed, and Angel's Go can be used for free from eng.dk. You can find QDatacube on that URL on tutorials. Feel free to use it and to contribute nice extensions to it. And that was all that I have to say. Please, time to vote. Vote for me.